Hello everyone, I'm Imam Pathak and my final project is a Conan recipe for seamless AftrBurner installation. To begin, we start by installing all the prerequisites. We have to download Visual Studio 2022 edition. You can install the community edition, which is free for the students. Then you can download Python. Depending on your operating system, you can download the Python version. Then you need to install Git, and you also need to install CMake. After installing all the prerequisites, we start by installing Conan Package Manager. This should install the Conan Package Manager on our machine. You can type Conan to see if the package manager is installed correctly or not. If you get an error that the Conan command is not found, then make sure that the Python binaries are set correctly in your path. And sometimes restarting the command prompt or the terminal may also help you. Now to install AftrBurner with the Conan recipe, we have two ways. The first way is cloning this repository to download the recipe, and the second way is using the Conan server. First, let's try cloning this repository. We can see that the repository is successfully cloned. Now we'll run the init.py file, and this should start the installation process. It's just that simple. Now the Conan recipe is downloading the repo_distro file from the cloud. After extracting the archive, Conan will extract the files from .git folders. And now it will move the source to the correct folder so we can start building the project. Before beginning the CMake generation process, the script will stop and wait for user to finish and extracting the libraries and setting the path for them. So first you need to open the libs and after extract third-party.sh file, which will extract all the zips present there. Then you need to run as administrator set path bins.bat file, which will set the path for all the libs. After doing this, you can press enter and the installation will proceed. Now CMake will start generating the project. And now it will start building the project with MS Build. The project was successfully built for the min-size rel config. Now the script will start building the project for the debug config. Now we can see that the debug config is also built successfully and we have installed AftrBurner on our system. We can verify this by browsing user module folder. You can see all the modules, so we can go to user include folder and see all the AftrBurner includes present. Let's try running a sample project. So we'll extract the new module. Let's use CMake to generate the project. Let's open this project in Visual Studio. And we can start the build for this project. So yeah, our model is working. We can see that the engine is installed correctly and the features of the model are working. Now that we have built the package on our machine, we are ready to host it on our own Conan server. First of all, we'll install the package. Okay, we can file the server with Conan underscore server. So the server is running and the server config is present at this path. If I open this path, then I need to add this write permission. I need to add this write permission to the user, and I need to create a user with this username and this password. So I've done both of these things, and I can restart the server now. To upload the recipe on server, I can use the command Conan upload. But before that, I need to add the server to the Conan remote list. So try the Conan remote list. I can see there's only one server present as of now. So to add that, I can do Conan remote add. Server name, let's call it local for now. And the server URL, which is this. Now if I do Conan remote list, I can see we have the local server here. Now I need to log into the server by using my username. So it's asking me for my password. Enter my password. Yep. And now we're connected to our server. So now we can push the package to our server. We need to add the remote name and we can push the package to the server. And now our recipe is available on the server. We can check that. As we can see, our AftrBurner 1.0 recipe is hosted on our local server. As we had to share one cool bit about the code that we wrote, so I think this is one of the important things which happens in the code. Depending on the operating system, the installation directory changes either to the home repos directory or to C repos directory. And this is handled automatically depending on the operating system we have the script running on. So I think that is one of the cool things. Second is the init script, which is very simple, but it basically allows me to trigger multiple Conan create commands so we can build multiple configurations without having to run this command twice. That's all from this demo. Thank you for watching.